Hey guys, so in this example I want to talk to you about Excel. Now Excel is one of the things that you could be doing tutorials on. So in the Simple Traffic Blueprint you find something that you can do tips and tricks type videos on. They're very simple, they only involve you actually sharing your screen, and it's a great way to get started on a platform like YouTube. Now there are many channels out there that do things like Excel, and it's ideal because there is a lot of people that actually search for Excel related topics. So you have, for instance, on this one is around Excel functions, you have 4,400 searches a month around this term, Excel functions and formulas. Now these are super simple videos. If you take a look at these videos, all they are is literally somebody using something like Screencast-O-Matic to do exactly as I'm doing now and just film their screen. So you could come along here and you could just do some searches of your own in YouTube, look at some of these channels and just do exactly the same thing as they're doing. And you see here that some of the views are really good for these things. So this is 2013 and this is kind of an older type channel now, but you could do exactly the same thing for Excel 2020 or onwards and it would be just as valuable as this one is. So as you see here, this is just one example, and this video has had 30,000 views and the channel itself has had 6.2 million views. So you could monetize this easily by having Google AdSense, and also you could link to things like Amazon products around Excel as well in the description. So there's many ways you can actually monetize this, but the power of this is that it's super simple to do. So if you're into something like Excel or really any of the Microsoft type tools, this could be an ideal strategy for you to get started. Another example of this is this channel here, which is Technology for Students and Teachers. Again, 600,000 subscribers and very similar type videos. They've got them around a variety of topics in the Microsoft type niche. You have things on Word, you have things on Excel, and really they're just very simple videos that explain to people how to do very simple things. So there's something here about Guide to Dashboard. Let's have a quick look at that.
Hey, I'm Chris. I'm Andrew.
And what you can see here that this channel is monetized. So they're using Google AdSense revenue to actually make money on this channel just by doing basic Excel dashboards. And you can see here as I play this is just them recording their own screen and then taking you through whatever the topic is and just doing a voiceover. So another great example here is these free courses on Excel for beginners. This channel has 167,000 subscribers, and again it's the same thing, just very easy things to come along and explain. Now this guy is on camera sometimes, but again when you're first starting out you don't need to be on camera, you just need to share your screen and do some voiceovers. It doesn't matter what your voice is like, as long as you're explaining things to people, then people will find it valuable and keep coming back to your channel. And the idea is with each one of these niches, you just keep making that content, rinse and repeat, and over time you'll see the views start to build up. So you will see next to this video there is a set of keywords that I put there that you can get started with straight away. Go ahead and search them in YouTube, find some good examples, take some notes, and then produce a video of your own.